Hey folks, it's Dr. Brenda Money Coach here, and the creator of the Gutsy Women Club, where women dare to dream and take bold actions to follow their heart's journey. So I collapsed my wonderful Clam tent the other day because the winds had gotten so bad. So I just shoved the walls in, and I'm ready to put it back up. The winds have died down, temperatures are better. I have the ledge out on top of by that window. You can see that cats are in the window waiting to get out. So I'm going to show you, I had bought some cinder blocks because I'm on pavement. There's no way to tie the ties down. So I use cinder blocks to hold this down. So I'm just going to, walk you through this and take them off and put them back in the corners. I also have sandbags, and this is from my old tent, my smaller tent. Okay, let's see if the magic appears.
Scared me.
That's all right. Okay, I have windscreens on here and there, but that's it. That's all that it takes. I'm gonna come around here and show you what I did to get this inside ready. So again, I've got a windscreen here, and this easily comes off if I want to take it off. And okay. So you can see the inside. I was able to just simply collapse the chairs and the tables. That's the little cat tunnel. And to get things back together here, I'll take this off. This is the base of my cat setup, and the ramp, and a little cat area for them to sit in. So I will just be putting this all back up together. This is where they're going in and out. So I'm gonna pause for a bit and see if I can't show you how I'm actually going to put that all together. Hang on. Okay, so we're at part 2. I lost the video that showed you how I actually put this together. So I now have everything back in order, and the entire process took maybe 10 minutes. And that includes, pulling the tent out, making sure it's all secure again, putting the tables back together, chairs up, and the important thing, oh yes, just ask Ginger. The important thing, just ask Coco. the cat chute, the cat setup. So I know I've talked about this before, but this is also with my new tent system. So my old video had my smaller tent, which was set up just a little bit differently. And I got to tell you, I mean, I've got that reputation, crazy cat lady. I was stopped yesterday. Somebody asked, she said, I hope I wasn't disturbing you. I brought a bunch of people over there because I saw that cat chute that you got in there, and they just chuckled away at that. So yeah, the cats can go in and out. It's been fantastic. It's easy to set up, taken a little while to get used to it, but this cat play area is actually the base. It's very sturdy. I knew I could get like a ramp, but I couldn't figure out how to, what to secure it to. So this works very well as the base. And this is just a boards that I have put some remnant carpeting on. And see, I've got a bungee cord back here, you can see, and that helps keep it tight. But in actuality, I put some bolts on the bottom of this board, drilled some holes into the base, and so it's actually pretty secure back here. And then the next step was really I found a 45-degree bracket, so that's what holds this ramp in place. Over time, this sometimes slips, so I have added some 90-degree brackets back here. I think you can see them through the net. Just if this starts to slide a bit, it has, an extra, half an inch or whatever, so things won't come undone. This tunnel, the ramp, again, it's just a piece of wood, and I have used PVC pipe. When I got here, I'm at South Padre Island, added some of the PVC cement glue stuff to keep everything in place. I wasn't having an issue till the weather got cooler, and then some of the PVC segments would come undone, so they're now secured. This is so cool because this is the tent. This is the little netting. This is their tunnel. And so I'm able to push that back on this ledge. By the way, this ledge is it's like a window flower box. That turned out to be exactly what I needed to do to hook that over the top of my window. So yeah, it's a flower box ledge. And then I just improvised and put again a board on the bottom and secured everything. So that makes a very sturdy ledge. This I'll show you on another window here, but you can see that the windows have zippers on, so I can unzip if I want to. It's not a good idea if I've got cats, which I do, of course. But what that allows me to do is I was able to unzip them here to concoct, get the, create some space where I could get the ramp and the tunnel through. I can zip up a bit, and then what I've done is, that leaves a big gap, right? So I bought some screen, and I got some fishing line, and I sewed all around here so that there is, I really don't leave gaps here. The cats cannot really get through here, so that has worked out really well. That's how I keep it all secure. And yeah, so when they come in, all I do is I shut the window if I'm taking off, so they can't get in and out of here. But it's a really good setup. The cats love it. Cats are very happy. I am happy. I've got a power cord in here, and I'm able to work on my laptop. I've got a laptop desk right over here, so I'll set that up and work in here. And I have been really pleased with the Clam tent. It's mid-December. I got it in October. My older one, it did not have a floor in, and it was pretty flimsy. The wind would just knock it down. Here, I've kept this up. The winds it's withstood the winds pretty well, but I am right along the Gulf, and winds have been picking up to like 30, 35 miles an hour. So yeah, definitely I collapse the tent when I know it's going to be that windy. But it's a really great setup. Very, very happy with it. Not cheap, partly because I did have to get the flooring. So, you know, that required the bigger, more expensive model. Well worth it for me. I'd rather spend my days out here working or exercising or reading than inside an RV. So perfect combination. So hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, please follow along on this amazing journey. I am here through the end of January, so this is a long stint for me. It's been I mean, look at the view. I'm going to show you the view actually, because this is just a treat. This is a treat. This is where I'm taking my sunset photos almost every night. So hang on, folks. I'm at the yep, my map has gotten filled up since I left in May. And yeah, so check this out. This is my front door, my view. Got bikers, we got walkers, we got drinkers, we got partiers. No, we really don't. They've done really well, I have to admit, with the COVID regulations. Restaurants that have adhered to it. There's a lot of spacing. Oh, look at that. Looks like we got a heron on the post. I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna try to get closer. But yeah, this is where I'm capturing these amazing photos of the sunset. And it's certainly handy to have that restaurant, Pier 19 restaurant, right by me too. So I'm gonna see how close we can get. Definitely low tide. You can see what's left of an old pier. Oh, there we go. Ah, what an adventure, folks. What an adventure. So, yep, that's the catio, and that's a little bit of where I am this winter, 2020, 2021. Not a bad deal, huh? All right, you take care. Bye-bye.